Ayo pun nak angkat dari pun ada juga pun yang dalam tu mulai. Ada pun dalam tu mulai. Pun nak bukan mana.
Ada si bukan ada kita.
Oh, okay.
Hapo hapo tingia akataka kutiti.
Baada ya kibao hiyo. Senator Muturi.
Yes, yes.
This is the day that your supporters have been waiting for.
Sure.
Your message to those that are going to vote today.
No, my message today is that they must choose wisely. They must look at the leadership. It's not about the noise or whatever, but they must look at the future of the party. I strongly believe that they are best foot forward, and we hope the people will be sober and vote for the best candidates. We are looking up to a situation where we unite the party, we bring those who couldn't come, we bring those who could turn out. We also make sure that we have a national understanding of our aims to bring Zimbabweans together. So today, with the numbers which have come, we expect that we follow our prescribed principles and ideas of how we started the party. we will definitely vote for the best candidate. And I presume I'm the best candidate for the position. And I want to bring in change, I want to bring in development, and I want to ensure that Zimbabweans get sober and not to always have this situation of them against us. It must always be us. When I mean by us, it must be you, me, working towards the developmental state of Zimbabwe. It's a democratic system. To get our voters vote right today, it's not yet completed, and it's okay. I expect to.
That was going to be my next question on the voters' roll. What stage are we now with the voters' roll? It has been cleaned up. Are the people that are supposed to vote on the voters' roll? What is the stage like now? It's one of the contestants.
It has been cleaned up. I think they've done most of the work. I don't even know why we haven't completed it, because we should have met, looked at it and confirmed it. What has not been done is the final confirmation, which I hope will be done already in the next few minutes or an hour to come. We should have done this a bit earlier this morning, and I think they were doing the printing of the voters.
Yes, but we have also seen some allegations against one of the contestants that some of the funds have gone missing, but the same person is still going to continue to contest in the elections. We have seen Bebe being suspended, but what is the prerogative about this person who is being let go and still going to contest?
You see, this is now, it's unfortunate that we're at the venue where we are contesting, and it's not a matter of brickbats. It's a matter of us being principled. Personally, as a principled person, I think that should have been addressed by those who have got the senior positions. I'm only a deputy chairman. We should have addressed the situation of how these things should have been resolved. But maybe we don't want to be seen as if we are fighting towards the very day of an election. But I think after this, we still have a way of addressing it. If people choose wisely, I think this has to be looked into and to ensure that an institution works well. An institution cannot be dependent on one individual or having individuals fighting. An institution must be self-cleansing. We are talking of creating best institutions in the country. And when you create best institutions in the country of world standard, those institutions must be able to control and help us. But then ours in this aspect has been very weak.
Yes, and your last message.
How many delegates are expected to participate today?
I think we will have around 2,000. Around 2,000. I'm not sure how many, because the delegates are there. But what happened is there's been confusing messages and conflicting messages. What I only hear is that there's so much that has been going on in the rural areas. Maybe those people can talk how they ended up bringing the delegates. I am not good at telling stories. So you can ask those who have come how they came, what happened, why didn't more people come. But we could have had more than 3,000. But with the situation and the rains and what have you, and the way the buses were finally brought in, I'm told there have been confusing messages.
And looking at the number of delegates, how long should the process take?
Pardon?
How long should the process take? Looking at the number of the delegates.
The voting. They were talking about 5 hours.
And the judging by the momentum that we have seen at this day, are you confident that you are going to win?
I'm confident. These are just people who are campaigning. The delegates are quiet. Everyone is trying to talk. Those who might have enough money to bring the crowds to make noise, this is not the place to make noise. You can see them. The delegates are not the ones fighting. This is history which is about.
Chisa Changrai Chisa. Chisa MDCT Chisa. Chisa Extraordinary Congress Chisa. Let's all go.
Senator Monzura, your message to the people that are going to vote for you today.
This is the time. This is the time for us to build our party. We want to continue this election in peace. We want to make sure that there is no violence, there is no hate language, that everybody behaves in a manner that is that will lead to peace. So to my opponents, I wish them the best of luck. To our supporters, thank you very much for what you've done. We have a great responsibility before us. We want to build our party into a credible change agent once more. We also want to build the nation of Zimbabwe. So we have a national responsibility at our hands. I wish everybody the best of luck.
Come on.
Give
But I